There be. It is not like that. So more than one shopper. Red Trader app no will still work for you. Yes. And no crown a wow. It's me boy Juma at the man retailers with multiple locations. Sounds no bit me use for Red Trader no. At their track performances of sales, you know, employees near the you know. And you will sales team no on performance near the now to me use for the full Red Trader app no. At the monitor on performances near the you know. No more price now me pacha wo another great feature pan say the Red Trader app no e reporting feature e so yeah no etimi boa wo Emma on sa etimi can various reports on sales made daily monthly about top items amount photo products are low stock and na cry no they are out of stock and of products na ka na expire na dey na app na better way na it is a one trying to mudi ajo and not just say you are not in business, you know what I'm saying? It's bomadi amount sanka yeah for the phone Red Trader app no. They use na be boa. Them di kan kan no. Be call Google Play Store no download it. And yes out there phrase 0302 334 040. No more price in the baby. Oh na 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 baby. No more baby. No more container baby. No more baby. Oh na 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 baby. Once again, Airtel Tigo morning offer free, no. And also go so cost the day then afa Jimby. Also ran up Pebi Abeka Sasa and Choshi for 6 solid months from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. And also Mount Saka new Airtel Tigo said now I make a transaction with Airtel Tigo money. Now on Saturday Miaka free morning calls. If you're already registered on Airtel Tigo money, very simple, just dial star 110 hash. Now I selected option 2. Now I subscribe for the morning offer with as little as 2 CDs. Sabe I also surround up maybe I'll bet me a share concern for free. Oh bro be antoshi. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. Man waste time crowd. Buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today and get talking. Airtel Tigo money. Life is simple. And straight up that will take us to Filla baby. Sister Sandy be a guy.
Hey Jay.
Oh, there will be able to there.
Yami adom now.
Nice one, Miss Moya Pa.
Why for pound? But I do as a marching top marching down. Like you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like pitch and ball. You marching. Na Messi wouldn't be.
Catch me odo.
Na Shatawale cha video kumase.
Moza waji kumase aboso sa ni ade.
I say friend no keep. Kumerica Invasion Project. Now waswaswa boys no ye kwaku flake amrado YP ba kope. Waswaswa boys singing a Kimpaluta ne omunya.
Yeah.
And I think a great for next generation. This is what I'm talking about. Say a new art no. Yeah, big ones no.
Amunya the opportunity no
more. Yes.
Oh
feature no 1 or 2 big crown pa. I mean, all the ebeko ye nim ne yin. I mean big art no nya wow. Nipo ya de osade we ho pa esa akode. BB Bo.
Yeah. And recently there was another one he did with the guys and it was nice. Yeah.
Oh yeah, there was sad in Hopa. And I think Stone year 2. Kelvin Boy name back we say Ovi. No go see in my me person me ko I can sing baby. It's one year the more. Big at bia fa o chame kwame nso eye bia. Won so aye bia o chame kwame aye bia now. It's a big art near some money say na enyefe. Na Ghana music to say sa project no entimi nko na nim emfa emaye. Na we na ultra video no shata de be pink. Sa same day na Kwaku Smoke ultra music video. Kwaku Smoke was wearing the same attire. Funny reasons or me no monka Kwaku Smoke ne wale beef bi wo ho. I'm surprised it's almost share the same attire.
Maybe it was just a mere coincidence.
It's me banesa, it's me ban so mo koto ne baby cro. And on the question of the day as I say yasuma me say me maybe sa. Say ban say na.
Oh my.
Ban say no mo share attire at the cro. It's another question na. Me bisa e mom sisi.
Yeko Roma African Roma me na why? Zana. And right there no mo say a chedo na den. Yeah, you go anymore.
And Rona Romy. Why? Boy. Now unim say me twa so a. Baje ade a me chie enumdwa. ade a wontimi nya de meka se obeye yeti kroma na sister afia wo ma won no Twitter se wo chi afia odo abebo no
go vemam
one share again no Saturday ya wo asus lunch one man afa ne ho adi media wo card ya no aye yes me pentokwa there be I'm far from ntokwa me pentokwa ba me action me words inta me social media ntokwa na we toma ne no ato me media ne de opa feel gadochi woni me nia mfa nyem because crow from nam tonight what you say kuma si crow from and I'm tonight me pentokwa enye but what timi abie wa no aka say woni obi bejem ushia na ababu no ntete efi odon na mo hwena no pay editor fi chim ne ho akodina abrochi wa dare ne ho aba wa ma na fa ne ho adi da bi braje wi
ko bo na tika se wa be san be track
ai wa bono so anka me de ne top wa de na akobo obi ba masoma ho ai na ko wo ye ma no wa no watch na bono
we need peace you know what I'm saying
and watch no de watch na bono me make we de ma me make we de ba na nya sister Sunday say na ko chene bono na aba beto me ha so obi ye mba utimi chene bono sa but enumdwa de enye oka na wa ye because it's as mo ya aye ato ye ni sa na kwa me yoje ne sa akodi akosi senyi
ese konkon
say the akoye wa ko perform o Heroes concert ade anything no sax so a sharp guy aye ne kwa no tum and of her performing into as am no kwetwa so because before Heroes concert na kwa Eugene co interviews okwa no akokasa as sharp as sack is oya also o twam Heroes side on it or fa hona watch ya kwa me ana menu ano no bra Mike or sharp guy say so kasa do ma me fa hon performing o man
me fan kilo sama ma hu say kwa Eugene
I relief
ono akra
ajemu
I start to post Instagram
yeah okoma ne thank you what ya chow be wo ompe and say kwame ya twaso na say kwame wo so betirem betra asem nim because oh yeah ma mente me ho ase bi apiem because say na ti say anana ni so me kasa bebre oh when so wa kan bom ba unim say clip no so na sak she blue and white e ka red no me ko
abusu fast that say my brand sponsors on boy my de filler ebre wo e patcho Vodafone or some can cho say so you use Vodafone cash now they send this sika the man will be of Vodafone cash so a free you know what I'm saying and now you use Vodafone cash they send this can be away any other network be as well and also you free and Joshi so Joe trending why don't you hop on to Vodafone say about me send this guy as many times as you want bra Joe charges be the patch more just dial *110# to send that cash for free right now ready as they do from our Woodin Le Creator Within say can say new designs pina number and currently Ubora within shop bia mu number na beto eye within to my bia ya wa chede pina on why dey more manfo ntikan we na borem na ma onsan kan de ansa na chede na sa why within shop bia ben obia no omade ansa obekọ na also wetimi akwakojo ode ewo ho na bibia anso akoye and quickly just a reminder ansa ya so akọ me patro Absa ready to work campaign no Ejamu den we are fresh graduate looking for a way to earn a living and then make sure you join the Absa Ready to Work virtual sessions to help you transition from learning to earning. Now your team of experts will be live on our Facebook page and on Zoom on Thursday 12th and then Friday 13th November 2020 to engage you on entrepreneurship and people skills. Remember I say Thursday and then Friday at 10 a.m. prompt. It is time to get ready to work. That's Africanacity. That's Absa. On that note,